Good morning to all. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. I am Balachandar. Standard 10 subject mathematics. Today's topic is rational expressions. So first we are going to discuss about rational expressions definition. So before going to learn rational expression, we just recall rational numbers concept. What is rational number? You know very well. If it is in the form of P by Q, instead of this rational expression, numbers, rational numbers, it is in the form of P by Q, where this denominator Q, which is not equal to 0. The denominator must not be equal to 0. Why? If it is equal to 0, the term is not defined. Learn carefully. If Q equal to 0, the term is not defined. So that we said clearly Q which is not equal to 0. I hope you all understood the concept. So rational numbers means it is in the form of P by Q. It means numerator and denominator, and denominator which is not equal to 0. This is the concept rational numbers. So we simply replace numbers by expressions. So what is an expression? Expression, it is a combination of numbers, variables and basic arithmetic operators. Understood? Expressions abdina enna? It is a combination of numbers, அப்புறம் ஆப்பரேட்டர்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் இந்த மாதிரி ஆப்பரேட்டர்ஸ், அப்புறம் சம் வேரியபிள்ஸ். வேரியபிள்ஸ்னால் என்னென்னு தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு? அல்ஃபபெட்ஸ், இங்கிலீஷ் அல்ஃபபெட்ஸ் தான் வேரியபிள்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ இந்த காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் அப்படி தான் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். அப்போ ரேஷனல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் அப்படிங்கும்போது இஃப் இட் கேன் பி ரிட்டன் அஸ் இன் த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் டிவைடட் பை எக்ஸ்பிரஷன், இட் மீன்ஸ் ரேஷியோ ஆஃப் டூ எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்ஸ். ஸோ ratio of two expressions is called rational expressions. Understand? So here I am going to take P of x divided by Q of x. This P of x and Q of x are two polynomial or two expressions, whatever it is, and this x is the variable. It may take different values, it may take different alphabets. Okay, here I took x, that is the variable, and the same concept Q of x which is not equal to 0. Q of x which is not equal to 0. This is the concept. Right. So next this P of x and Q of x, we can simplify when and where. If there are common factor means we can cancel them. There are common factor means we can cancel them. And we can get the irreducible form. For example, 2 by 10. It is a rational number, you know that. We can simplify this here because there are common factors have numerator and denominator. That common factor is 2. 1 time, 5 time. So 1 by 5. This is called irreducible form of this rational number. Understand? அப்ப இதுக்கு அப்புறம் இது என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? Simplify பண்ண முடியாது. So this is the irreducible form. So அதே போல இதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா irreducible form கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். So now reduction of rational expressions. We have started from a small example. So first example number 3.13. First subdivision. The question is x minus 3 divided by x square minus 9. So this is a rational expression, you know very well. So now we are going to simplify, or we are going to write in its lowest form or simplest form of this rational expression. So first step, we are going to find their common factor. Find their common factor. So first x minus 3, we cannot simplify this. It is in the linear factor form. But this is in the quadratic polynomial. So we can find this factors. Find the factors of this one. So x square minus 9. So it is an algebraic identity, a square minus b square. So this 9, it is the square of 3. 9 is the square of 3. So this 9 is the square of 3, you know that. So 3 square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. These are the two factors of this quadratic polynomial. So first we factorized the polynomial. We factorized the polynomial in its linear factor form. So it is a quadratic polynomial. So I have got the two linear factors. Okay. So first what we did, factorize. First we did factorize. First என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படினா factors find out பண்ணோம். So next அது என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படினா assign பண்றோம். So the x minus 3 we cannot simplify it. So as usual. Second step, the x square minus 9 எப்படி எழுதுறோம், x plus 3 into x minus 3. Factors find out பண்ணியாச்சு. So this is first step. Second step, if there are common factor, means we can cancel them. This x minus 3 and this x minus 3 are common factor. அப்ப நியூமரேட்டர்லயும் இருக்கு, டினாமினேட்டர்லயும் இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், அதை ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டோம். So this is second one. So what we did second, cancel the common factors. Cancel the common factors in numerator and denominator. Learn carefully. Numerator and denominator இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியும். Okay. So next we got 1 by x plus 3. Numeratorல 1 இருக்கும், denominatorல x plus 3. So 1 by x plus 3. This is the irreducible form of this rational expression. We cannot simplify it. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது அப்படினா simplify பண்ண முடியாது. இதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன term யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படினா, their GCD must be 1. So p of x அப்படிங்கிறது என்னங்க, p of x numerator is equal to 1. q of x denominator equal to x plus 3. So இப்போ இந்த p of x க்கு q of x க்கு GCD find out பண்றோம். இந்த GCD இங்க என்ன அப்படினா 1 தான். 1 is the greatest common divisor of this p of x and q of x. So GCD of p of x and q of x is 1. It is the irreducible form or simplest form of this rational expression. So we can say clearly, if their GCD is 1, it is the irreducible form of the rational expression. I hope you all understand the concept. So first we factorize the given polynomial. Second, if they have common factor, we can cancel them. Third, we can get the irreducible form. How can we verify it? How can we check whether it is the irreducible form or not abdina? So if their GCD must be 1, then we can say clearly it is the irreducible form. Next, exercise 3.4, first question. The question is, reduce in its lowest form or simplest form of the rational expression. This is the question. So first question, first subdivision. The question is x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x. So this is p of x and this is q of x, you know very well. So first step, we are going to find the factors of the polynomial. This x square minus 1. This 1 can be written as 1 square because the value will not be changed. It remains unchanged. So I replace the 1 square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. You know that identity. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So according to that formula, we can replace this x plus 1 and x minus 1. இப்படி என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், replace பண்ணிக்கலாம். Second, x square plus x ன்னு இருக்கலாம். x square plus x. So there are two terms in this quadratic polynomial. x அப்படிங்கிறது common factor இருக்கு. இந்த x அப்படிங்கிறது first termல இருக்கு, second termல இருக்கு. So we can take that out. அப்ப இந்த x வெளியில எடுத்துறோம் அப்படினா, இந்த first x square ல இருந்து x வெளியில எடுத்துட்டனா remaining ஒரு x இருக்கும். You know very well. ஏனா x square அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது, x into x. x into x. ஒரு x வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம்னா remaining ஒரு x இருக்கும். அத நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன், ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். பிளஸ் இங்க ஒரே ஒரு x இருக்கு, அத வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படினா 1 இருக்கும். So x into x plus 1. This is the factor form. So இங்க என்ன பண்ண போறோம், ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ண போறோம். Now x square minus 1 எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம், x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by, this can be written as x into x plus 1. This x plus 1, this x plus 1 will be cancelled. So what do we get remaining, x minus 1 divided by x. So it is a irreducible form of this rational expression. We cannot simplify it further. Okay, right. Move to the second problem. Second question, x square minus 11x plus 18 divided by x square minus 4x plus 4. So these are two quadratic polynomials. So first find the factors of the quadratic polynomial. So first quadratic polynomial, x square minus 11x plus 18. So இது எப்படி find out பண்றது? The 18 is the product of any two numbers and this coefficient of x is the sum of the same two numbers, you know very well. So first the 18 இங்க எழுதிக்கங்க, minus 11 இங்க எழுதிக்கணும். So multiplied any two numbers will get 18, add two numbers means will get minus 11. What are the two numbers? So 9 and 2. 9 into 2 equal to 18, you know that. 9 plus 2 அப்படினா 11 வரும். So minus 11 இருக்கு. So both numbers have minus. Minus into minus plus add பண்ணும்போது அந்த minus sign assign பண்ணிட்டு ரெண்டையும் என்ன பண்ணீங்க add பண்ணி போட்டுருங்க. So minus 9 minus 2 are the factors. இப்போ இதை நம்ம எப்படி factor formula எழுதுறது அப்படின்னா x minus 9 x minus 2. Okay. Similarly second one, x square minus 4x plus 4. இப்போ இந்த 4 plus 4 ங்கிறது product of any two numbers. The minus 4 அப்படிங்கிறது sum of the same two numbers. What are they? 2 and 2. Minus 2 minus 2. Minus into minus plus ரெண்டே ஆட் பண்ணும்போது minus sign assign பண்ணி plus 4 வந்து minus 4 வந்துரும். So இத factors formula எழுதுறது எப்படி அப்படினா இந்த இதுக்கு previously என்ன பண்றோம், first இந்த variable assign பண்றோம். இப்போ variable x னா இங்க x. So x minus 2 x minus 2. So these are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. இப்போ replace பண்ண போறோம். இப்போ இந்த polynomialக்கு பதிலா x minus 9 into x minus 2 divided by this polynomial x plus 2, sorry, x minus 2 x minus 2. X minus 2 x minus 2 we can cancel because common factors, numerator and denominator. Next this x minus 9 by x minus 2. This is the irreducible form. So hereafter we cannot simplify them. So the factor x minus 9 and x minus 2, their GCD is 1. இதோட GCD என்ன இருக்கும்னா 1. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் simplify பண்ண முடியாது. So this is the irreducible form of this rational expression. Exercise 3.4, first question, third subdivision. The question is 9x square plus 81x divided by x cube plus 8x square minus 9x. This is the quadratic polynomial. The variable is x and this one is cubic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial oda factorization, factors find out பண்றது easy, you know that. The I division methodல sum and product இல்ல I division method அதல follow பண்ணிக்கலாம். So the cubic polynomial இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா x is the common factor. You can take that x out. So how can we take that? First 9x square plus 81x. 9 and x are the common factor. So first term la 9x irukku, second term la 9x irukku because the 81 is multiple of 9, you know that. So 9x is the common factor. If you take that out, what do we have? Here 9 we took out and x is also we took out. So one more x. So only one x. This plus sign. And 81x, this 81x அப்படிங்கிறது 9 into 9 into x. அப்ப 9x ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம். அப்படி 9x வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படினா என்ன இருக்கும்? 9 மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். So x plus 9. Okay. So this is the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Similarly, second one, x cube plus 8x square minus 9x. So here x is the common factor. There are three terms and x is the common factor. If you take that out, we have x cube la indu or x வெளிய எடுத்துட்டோம்னா x square plus 8x square la indu x வெளிய எடுத்துட்டோம்னா 8x minus 9. Already we took the x out. So we have a quadratic polynomial. So this quadratic polynomial factors we are going to find. Minus 9 plus 8. So product of any two numbers is equal to minus 9. Sum of the same two numbers is equal to 8. What are they? So we can take 1 and 9. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. The 9 minus 1 அப்படினா 8 வரும். plus 8 இருக்கு, இங்க minus 9 இருக்கு. So எந்த sign assign பண்ணலாம்? எந்த நம்பருக்கு minus assign பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா 1. So minus 1 plus 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. So the factors are already this x and this x minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 and this plus 9, x plus 9. So these are the three are the factors of this cubic polynomial, right? Because cubic polynomial have three factors. The factors are x, x minus 1 and x plus 9. Quadratic polynomial have two factors. The factors are 9x and x plus 9. So we just replace them. So instead of the first quadratic polynomial, I am going to replace this 9x into x plus 9 divided by this cubic polynomial can be written as x into x minus 1 into x plus 9. This x plus 9, this x plus 9 cancel, as well as this x will be cancelled. So what do we have remaining? Numerator has 9 and denominator has x minus 1. This is the irreducible form of this rational expression. Hereafter we cannot simplify it. Question number 1, fourth subdivision. The question is p square minus 3p minus 40 divided by 2p cube minus 24p square plus 64p. So first going to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Solution. First one p square minus 3p minus 40. So product of two numbers is equal to minus 40. Sum of the same two numbers is equal to minus 3. So what are the two factors? You know very well. 5 8s are 40. So 5 into 8 equal to 40 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So where do we assign that minus sign? So here minus 8. 5 into minus 8 is equal to minus 40. 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So the factors are p plus 5 and p minus 8. So it can be written as p plus 5 into p minus 8. Right. The next 2p cube minus 24p square plus 64p. This is the cubic polynomial. You know very well. There are three factors it has. So first I am going to take the common factor p and 2. 2 is the common multiple as well as p is also the common multiple. So if you take that 2p out, 2p what do we have here? 2p already we took out. Remaining p square minus 12 into 2 equal to 24. So we took 2 out. So 12 is there. Minus 12p plus 2 already we took out. So 32 will be there. So 32. So this is the quadratic. So p square minus 12p plus 32. This is the quadratic polynomial. So I am going to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So here product of two numbers is 32. Sum of the same two numbers is minus 12. So what are they? 8 4s are 8 into 4 32. 8 plus 4 12. So we can assign minus for both numbers. Minus into minus plus when we add them we assign the minus sign and add them. 8 plus 4 12 minus 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 kudutachu. So 2p into this one p minus 8 p minus 4. There are three factors. What are they? 2p, p minus 8 and p minus 4. So we just replace them. First one p plus 5 into p minus 8 divided by this one 2p of p minus 8 and p minus 4. So this p minus 8, this p minus 8 will be cancelled. So what do we have? P plus 5 divided by 2p into p minus 4. Hereafter we cannot simplify it. So it is the simplest form of this rational expression. I hope you all understood the concept. So exercise 3.4, first question, there are 4 subdivisions problems we have done now. I hope you all understood. The problems are related to irreducible form or reduction form of rational expression problems. So example sum 3.14, first question I did, the second one is your homework. Okay. So next video we will see about excluded value of rational expressions. Thank you.